automobile industry is here, and it's electric. Hybrids and fully electric vehicles continue to gain market share as the technologies that power them grow by leaps and bounds each year. Automobile manufacturers are investing billions in EV manufacturing facilities, as well as EV battery manufacturing plants. As always, one of the biggest challenges they face is hiring skilled workers to fill the thousands of jobs being created. How do you effectively train the next generation of production technicians, frontline machine operators, and industrial maintenance professionals? For many manufacturers and educators, the answer is simple. Amatrol's unique combination of cutting-edge e-learning curriculum paired with real industrial training systems that teach the hands-on skills workers need to succeed. Effective EV training begins with a strong foundation. That's why Amatrol's EV Battery Technology Fundamentals Learning System teaches basic knowledge and skills related to electric vehicle battery chemistry, construction, operation, and safety. The T7022's hands-on training workstation features a variety of real industrial EV battery system electrical components, including lithium-ion batteries, smart charger discharger, electrical circuit components, and electrical measurement instruments. The EV Battery Technology Fundamentals Learning System also includes Amatrol's e-learning multimedia curriculum. Amatrol's curriculum features a highly interactive format that includes stunning 3D graphics and videos, voiceovers of all text, and interactive quizzes and exercises designed to appeal to learners with different learning styles. The T7022 curriculum starts with the basics of electrical circuits, voltage, current, and resistance before moving on to 21 hands-on skills related to EV battery types, operation, charging, testing, handling, and storage. Users will learn important skills such as measuring battery cell discharge rate, adjusting charge controller settings, and charging an EV battery.